Let's take out our handwriting practice book, and I want you to turn the page, and I want you to write a number 2 right here. Number 2. We are working on the water park. Now, the directions don't give us much. It says, write about a visit to a water park. Okay, you have a picture of a water park. First thing I'm going to do is observe my picture. I see an elephant. I see people in a big pool. I see a big water tube. I see a man over here overlooking the slides, probably to make sure everyone's behaving and doing what they should, following the rules. I see a little girl going down the slide. I see a man in a tube hanging out in the water. Little boy's got a sailboat. I see a big twisty slide. Super fun. Everybody's having fun. Everyone looks happy at the water park. So I see 3 words and I circled them. I see pool, I see swim, and I see slide. These are words I must spell correctly in my writing because I see them here and they're already provided for me. So I want to learn how to spell them correctly, so I'm going to practice as I write them to spell them correctly. Okay, I get to make up my story. It can be anything. Okay, write about a visit to a water park. Okay, I've been to a water park. So I'm going to say, I went to a water park. It's right here, so I should spell it correctly. A-T-E-R. I went to a water park last summer. So I'm going to write last down here because I don't think it's going to fit here. I'm going to write 2 M's. If a word ends in it's most of the time ER. I went to a water park last summer. Okay, that's my first sentence. I loved. If a word ends in past tense, that means it happened before, and loved, then it's going to be ED at the end. I loved the water. Oh, there's water again. W-A-T-R. Guess what? That's also one of our sight words this week. Guess what? Miss Bonnie's making sure you have the word that you're practicing in your writing. It's a sight word. Doesn't sound like it looks. It's a sight word. You've got to memorize it because it's water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay. I loved the water slide. It's already there for me. Slide. Long I, ninja E. I went to a water park last summer. I loved the water slide. I'm also going to use the word pool and swim in my next sentence. How could I make that happen? Tap your chin. I liked to swim, boop, right there, in the, I ran out of space. Do I get frustrated? No, I don't. I just go down. Pool. P-O-O-L. And I have a exclamation point. I went to a water park last summer. I loved the water slide. I like to swim in the pool. I have an exclamation point. Okay, now, are you going to write what Miss Bonnie wrote? What was that? The answer is no. You are not writing what I wrote. I'm showing you how to use the words and the pictures to create a little story of your experience at a water park. Okay? You're going to write something completely different, but you're always going to do the same 3 things that Miss Bonnie did. Capital letter, finger, spaces, punctuation at the end. Remember, you're working on handwriting. This is handwriting practice. Making sure your letters fit in the lines correctly. Notice my teenager letters go above the top line because you have an imaginary line at the top here. Your teenager letters are touching the imaginary line. My baby letters fit between the two lines. All my baby letters fit between the two lines. All my letters are the same size. Some letters aren't bigger than others. Do you notice that? That is what I want you to work on today as you form your little story. Have fun.